Okay, escaping sequences in strings. Quotes are not the only characters that can escape inside a string. There are two reasons to use escaping characters. To allow you to use one, to allow you to use characters you may not otherwise be able to type out, such as a cartridge return. Two, to allow you to represent multiple quotes in a string without JavaScript misinterpreting what you mean. We learned this in the previous challenge. Okay. Tab. Oh, so these are like, I'm guessing. Okay. Did I skip a video? I don't. Okay, let's keep going. Note that the backslash itself must be escaped in order to display as a backslash. Oh, okay. Oh, assign the following 3 lines of text into the single variable my string using escape sequences. So this, you will need to use escape sequences to insert special characters correctly. You will also need to follow the spacing as it looks above, with no spaces between escape sequences or words. Here is the text with the escape sequences written out. Oh, I see what it wants you to do. Okay, so let's copy this one. They want you to pull it inside my string. So it's saying first line, so let's go back to this little code that they have here. And they want it to be represented like that. So we need first line, then we need a new line. Which you would, I'm assuming you would do this. It shows you down here. First line, new line. And then you have a new line, first line, new line. Get rid of that tab. It says tab back, which one is tab back? Tab. So, oh, where did I move my mouse? I did. Tab backslash second line. Oh, it actually tells you how to write it. Second line and then new line, which I know is this. And get rid of new line. Technically, it should look something like this, right? That matches up. But it wants you to put a slash here. No? There's a slash here though. Double slash. Maybe you have to put double slash. Yeah, there we go. And that means backslash. Oh yeah, because it says you have to close it out, end it. So that's why it's double. So that looks exactly like how it looks here. So let's run a test. Okay, complete.